Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu as it continues to pump. It's approaching dot in market cap. You can see between the volume and the market cap, the volume is almost nearly as big as the market cap. There's definitely some whales like wash trading it, but that doesn't really matter as long as it's pumping up. There will probably be some kind of massive drop soon, but we don't really know how long it can continue to actually pump up. It's obviously riding high on the Robinhood news or the Robinhood rumors for that. And we're actually going to talk about why Robinhood will most likely list it. I think Robinhood almost has to list it at this point, whether they like it or not. Now, there was that threatening email, basically written by some member of the Shiba army, basically threatening to do something if Robinhood didn't list it. I think that's the wrong way to go about things. If you want a large exchange to list your coin, that's most likely going to tell them to not list your coin because your followers are insane. But regardless, I do think Robinhood almost has to list it. And that has to do with how Robinhood is doing as well as Shiba Inu. Now, could it actually go into the top five? Yeah, I think it could possibly go into the top five. Is it going to flip Bitcoin? No, it's not going to flip Bitcoin. But it could definitely go into the top five at this point. I'm not really sure how long they can continue the pump and how long they can actually continue to pump it up. Because at some point, like the whales are going to want to cash out. And there's like whales that have trillions and trillions of Shiba Inu because they were so cheap to actually begin with. And like I said, there's a lot of wash trading. If you look at the volume of the other coins, like compared to the market cap in the top 10, there may be like a tenth, a 15th. Shiba Inu's volume is almost the entire market cap right now. So there's like people just wash trading. And wash trading is basically buying and selling at the right price, at the same price to make it look like your coin has more volume. There's obviously a lot of FOMO coming into, and the reason for that is like one, it's cheap, so people like buying millions of coins for like $20. But the other thing about Shiba Inu that is getting people to buy is that like it's getting a lot of press, and like meme power is means a lot in the crypto market, where you don't really have to have a company to actually have a coin. Anyone can create a coin, and as long as you have like a catchy name or a catchy figure like Doge or Shiba, people will actually buy it. So the thing is, the reason Robinhood almost has to list Shiba Inu is because how Robinhood's actually doing. Robinhood like earnings are way down. It's down like three quarters or something since last quarter, and it's basically going to be eaten alive by other exchanges because Robinhood does not yet have a wallet. Now there's like a million people signed up to use its wallet, but it doesn't have the wallet yet, which means you can't withdraw or deposit crypto on Robinhood right now, and that's a huge disadvantage. Plus, Robinhood doesn't really have that many coins right now. If you look on Coinbase, Binance, they have a much wider selection than Robinhood, and all the controversy via GameStop and other things that Robinhood has been embroiled with. It's just not a very good look for Robinhood right now. So the thing is, like, you're a public, like, if you're a public company, you want to essentially get those investors on board and not have people sell your stock and have people have an optimistic outlook on your stock. Having a massive drop in revenues is not the way to do that, obviously. So they need trading revenues. What do you do to get trading revenues? Well, you add popular coins. And you add popular coins like Shiba Inu. Now, do I think Shiba is going to massively pump again once Robinhood adds it? Not really. I mean, it's kind of already had its massive pump. And the thing is, we've seen this before. Like when coins are about to get listed on massive exchanges, or when there's rumors, they pump, and after they get listed, they kind of mellow out. Now, I don't know if Shiba will like massively dump if it gets listed on Robinhood. I don't think it'll massively dump. It'll probably retrace just like everything else. But if Robinhood comes out and says like they're not listing Shiba Inu, then it will massively dump. But I think Robinhood almost has to add it now just due to investor pressure. I mean, you're way down in revenue and you've got millions of dollars potentially, like tens of millions of dollars of trading fees with Shiba Inu. So you should add Shiba Inu they almost have to add Shiba Inu as a business decision. And one of the reasons that Robinhood is way down compared to other exchanges, which are all way up, is because they don't have enough coins. So it solves two problems. It gives you more diversity in coins in terms of Shiba Inu. It gives you a very high in demand coin that's FOMO pumping right now in Shiba Inu. And the thing is, like, it also increases your revenue by a huge amount. Now, Robinhood said like 70% of their trading volume comes from Doge. Now, that's a long-term problem. Even if you get Doge and Shiba Inu in there right now, those are kind of FOMO coins. The volume of Doge essentially just like dropped after the massive Doge FOMO earlier this year, and likewise the volume of Shiba Inu will definitely drop as well after this massive FOMO. But at least you can give yourself a jolt in the arm essentially at this point. And if you don't do it, there's really no other way you're going to really compete with Coinbase and others. So just for business' sake and the ability to compete with other exchanges, they almost have to add Shiba Inu at this point, even without the threatening letters. I think the threatening letters are dumb. I think that's just going to convince more people to turn away from your coin. than actually like go for your coin. But because of business pressures, because of falling revenues, and because they need something to get a jolt in the arm, Robinhood almost absolutely has to add Shiba Inu. So let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.